In today's video, I'll teach you how to get a discount code for PlayStation Store. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now in order to get the discount code, what you have to do is visit the websites or platforms that offer you the discount codes of various stores. Here I am going to visit Coupon Follow. If you also want to do that, click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in www.couponfollow.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Coupon Follow. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is simply search for PlayStation Store over here. Click on the search bar that you can see on the screen. Now simply type in PlayStation. You'll be able to see the results over here. Click on this option, PlayStation. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to see all the available PlayStation coupon codes over here. You'll be able to find the options like 20% off, 80% off, 75% off, etc. What you have to do is find the deal that you like the best. After you do that, click on this option, show coupon code that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be redirected to the new tab. In the new tab, you'll be able to see the coupon code over here. You can directly redeem at PlayStation if you want. For that, click on this option, redeem at PlayStation. After that, you'll be able to redeem it. Or you can also copy it. Click on this option, copy. Now the coupon code will be copied. Now what you have to do is simply enter this coupon code in the checkout interface. After you do that, you'll be able to get the promised discount. So that is how you get a discount code for PlayStation Store. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.